Vision is one that we hope will support, first of all, student individuality, giving our kids the chance to take whatever device we give them and learn at their own pace in their own way, to give them opportunities for creation and collaboration. One of the things that we decided early on is that the device that we adopt, which for us was the iPad mini, must support student creation, student collaboration, student creativity. Those were our three most important goals, not providing them with another way to practice their math facts, which they'll have if they need it, but really thinking about students as producers as well as consumers of information, and making sure that our devices support that learning priority. Really was the committee who came up with that. So for us, it was spending a lot of time. We called them actions and attributes. So we spent hours and hours just thinking about what are the actions we want to see when we walk into a classroom in our district. What are the things we want to see teachers doing? What are the things we want to see students doing? What are the actions that we promote and want to support in instruction in our schools? As well as the attributes. So once we went through the actions and the things that we wanted to see happening, we talked about the attributes. If we want this to happen, if we want student creativity to be important, what are the attributes of a learning space that support student creativity, and what are the attributes of a learning device that supports student creativity? So really stopping first and thinking about beyond device, thinking about the actions and the attributes, which is kind of our branded name of kind of our learning priorities. Was essential, was key for us, and it was really our committee that spent a lot of time digging into those. So actions and attributes were important, but the other thing that I think was important for us is to start with the basics. We spent time digging into the Common Core standards, which were adopted in the state of Colorado, and so we took our flavor of those, our own curriculum unit plans, which are based off of the Common Core standards, and dug in and said, where is technology required? So we actually created a document that outlines those expectations for technology use embedded in our language arts, embedded in our science and our math, to make sure that not only are we thinking about our high vision dreams, but also the practicalities, what has to happen in the classroom for technology to support just the basic instruction that's required of us by the state and by the district.